Let's now demonstrate how to make a general journal entry in Peachtree software. Journal entries are a favorite area for accountants and CPAs. Come under the Tasks menu and come down to General Journal Entry. In the General Journal Entry, you'll notice that you enter the debits and credits yourself, and that these debits and credits must balance. They must equal each other. On all other tasks windows within Peachtree, Peachtree handles balancing the debits and credits for you in the behind-the-scenes accounting work. But on this screen, you have to balance them yourself. The first thing you want to do, of course, is date your general journal entry. The next is a reference number. We're going to adjust our cash balance based on the bank reconciliation. We reconciled our bank and we got credit for interest. And so we need to make a general journal entry for the interest that was credited to our bank account. So we want to come here, open up our regular checking account, put in a description, and here we need an interest income account. We're looking for some type of other income or interest income account here, $40,800. Now our account is in, our entry is in balance. We have both debit and credit. Now notice we can do multi-line journal entries here. We can even add a line. So if we wanted something else to be on the first line, we can come here, row, add. This gives us a blank line up here. It's kind of like an insert feature. Let's take that line out. Now, once we've entered our journal entry, we simply click on Save. Sometimes we want to have a journal entry that reverses after the end of the period. To reverse this transaction, we would click on this box here. For example, let's say your company pays out $10,000 in paychecks to its employees every 2 weeks. It is the end of the month of March, but payday isn't until April 7th. Therefore, half of your pay period is in March and the other half is in April. In order for your records to accurately show which expenses were accrued in which month, you have to record the March salary expenses, reverse them on April 1st, and then actually make your payroll expenditure on April 7th. Your journal entry for the last week of March for payroll shows the amount accrued in March. On April 1st, the transaction will be reversed. The journal entry on that day shows the amount accrued in April. On payday, April 7th, the journal entry shows the actual payment of the $10,000 to your employees. And that's an example of when to use the reverse transaction feature. Now, we can pull up journal entries and edit them just like we can on other screens. Open, and this shows all of our transactions that we've entered in the general journal entry area. Here is our interest entry that we just entered.